Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. So, this month I'm kind of doing a whole spring theme to it that involves the spring flower tulips. If you had tuned in the last couple of weeks, I did a fresh tulip cascading bouquet, and then I did an artificial tulip cascading bouquet. I thought it'd be fun to take some of these tulips and do a corsage with them. So these are fresh tulips, and I'm going to wire them up so I have a little bit more control over the flower itself. So I'm taking a really thin gauged wire. This one has got to be about a 26 gauge wire, and it goes in smoothly right into the stem. You don't want to go with a thick wire because once you make that piercing into the stem itself, it's not a very strong stem. It wants to snap kind of like an asparagus when you snap the bottom. So if it has that kind of weak point made in it where the wire goes in, it's just gonna snap off. Um, so you do want a thinner wire. And I'm using just some green wax floral tape. It also comes in light green, kind of an army green. I'm doing the darker green because I have darker green leaves that I'm going to back my corsage with. Now this little guy I'm going to wrap a little further down the stem because he's going to pop up a little bit higher than the actual other flowers themselves. So I want a little bit of that lighter green stem showing. Now, turning towards my leaves here, these are artificial rose leaves, and you can actually buy corsage leaves that bend too. But if you have these extra leaves hanging around, might as well use them. So I'm going to wire it up so that I have a bigger stem to hang on to, and I have that control of the leaf where I can bend it and move it. And then I found this thin velvet uh, ribbon that I'm just going to do some shoelace bows. Yeah, shoelace loops for the bow. But I love the texture against the texture of the tulip itself. Looking at these flowers a little bit closer, you can see that the red is turning a bit at the end. So if you're doing this for a wedding, you want to make sure that you have fresh tulips, because while they won't necessarily wilt, they will turn a little bit translucent, a little bit darker at their tips. Um, Not a bad thing if that happens, but you can definitely tell that these are a bit older. Well, at least I can tell that these are a bit older. And this corsage, I left it out overnight, and it actually kept its shape really well. Tulips will not wilt like a typical, like a hydrangea or whatever. But you do run the risk, if your family's a hugger, it might get squished being on the lapel. It's just something to think about if you're like, I don't know if I should do artificial or fresh. Fresh is beautiful, gives that movement, that scent, that touch, but artificial might be good if your family tends to be a little handsy and huggy, which is great, but not great for the corsages and the boutonnieres. Um, but once I'm all done, just add a couple of pins and you're all set. A fresh tulip corsage. Thank you so much for watching.